da, 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 da.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's vlog. So today is Monday. Monday morning. Well, it's almost like 12 noon, so I'll call it noon on Monday, and I'm going out right now. First of all, I need to get to a spa that I am working with. I'm working with a spa today, guys. I know it seems like I always go to the spa, but I'm not complaining, okay? I'm not complaining. So yes, spa it is today, partly for enjoyment, partly for work. So yeah, I'm not complaining. And then after that, I'm going over to a store, a clothing store, to pick up a dress that I won in some giveaway that Moms That Brunch hosted recently, to fit and pick up my dress. And then after that, probably would grab something to eat along the way. So yeah, it's gonna be a practically a little bit of an eventful day. So let's go, guys. Is so big now, by the way. She's getting so big. Look at that. Hi, girl. Hi, Tasha. This dog only loves to be, I don't even understand, loves to be petted and just massaged. And it's a very cold Saturday morning, so I guess this massage is doing her a lot of good right now. Hi, girl. Hi. Look at her. Just look at this dog, eh? This dog only came to this world to come and enjoy life. She didn't come to do any work, please, dear. She only came here to come and enjoy her life. Let's see your face. Hi. I can't believe you are trying to jump into the camera. Are you serious right now? Are you being serious? Hi, guys. You guys are hearing, generator is on. I'm sorry. And I look like a crazy person. But anyways, I'm heading out. What? This man, you too like your love, you too love. We're going to get food somewhere. There's this place around where we stay that they sell really nice, like, what's that? It's breeze, it's trying to rain. We're going to get like food, very nice, like Buka-ish kind of place. Not like a Buka, like a local Buka. But anyways. I want. Before you put the jello, do you have a father? Plantain on the side. I want a father rice. Soft one. Soft meat.
plain rice, I know.
Pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving this? Spending every minute to.
That's last food from Buka is always the sweetest. Think all this sushi food we used to eat once in a while. Food from Buka hits differently, babe. Yep. Hits differently. Oh. All that sushi food, they go here, go there, go here, fries, burger, all those things. La. This particular one, Buka food, it hits different. Nothing beats it.
The next day.
Don't know how to make this right.
Code number 5 Williams Crescent. Oh,
Wow, 5 a.m. Say 5. What's in the ambush? And they do shoots for president.
it's common sense, bro. Like, is the world coming to an end and I'm rushing to shit?
Babe, why are you speaking for them?
This is how I talk. That's how I talk. Like,
This is how you talk. Since when?
I don't want problems.
I don't want any stories. No.
When the people that are getting married, the family of the person getting married has not been attended to.
Fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing great. I took out my braids 2 nights ago. Was it 2 nights ago? Yeah, I think it was 2 nights ago. I took out my braids. I was tired and the braids were already looking really scruffy, so we had to go. Plus I'm doing something exciting to the hair by later today, so we had to, those braids had to go off. Whatever I get up to, you guys will see it probably in my next vlog, so stay tuned for that. It actually just dawned on me that I didn't talk to you guys about the traditional spa I went to at the beginning of this vlog. The place is called Guru's Nest. It's in Wuse 2 here in Abuja, and it's a traditional spa. They call themselves a Sudanese spa because most of the things that they do there, they borrowed from Sudan as well as the Borno state of Nigeria. So most of the spa treatments, body, more like beauty treatments basically, they got them from Sudan and from Borno State. It was a lovely day because I hadn't been to traditional spa before ever. Like, I hadn't been to one my whole life, so it was quite an experience. You guys saw the very first thing I did was a sugar wax. That was my first time getting a sugar wax. I see people doing it, putting it on YouTube. I see people going to do sugar wax. I've never done it before. That was my first time, and hell it was painful. It was painful. The one on the legs were not, they were painful, but they were really bearable. Then I decided to now sugar wax my armpits. I decided to sugar wax my armpits, guys. I was screaming like a mad person. You had to hear me. It was so painful. Jesus, hey, it was painful, sha, but I endured for them to remove the hair in the 2 armpits. And quite honestly, I actually do like the results. Even me that I'm not quite hairy when it comes to like my body, when they sugar waxed my legs, there was a difference. Even though I don't have much hair on my legs, but there was a difference. The girl who did it for me was trying to talk me into doing a Brazilian sugar wax. So that's, auntie, you want to keep it? You have done the armpit, I almost died. There you now want to do that down here with this sugar wax. And I was talking to the owner later and I was telling her how painful. She said that yeah, that the 2 most painful parts to do sugar waxing are the armpits and the vajayjay area. And I'm just like, I just imagine the kind of pain I was going through here and here when they're doing that thing. Then imagine them doing it there. No, that can never be me. I applaud you guys that do Brazilian waxing every other day. I applaud you guys, but Alma doesn't. Please, I don't like pain. Thank you, dear. I don't like it at all. Then we also did this dia, was it a dia scrub, where they use that greenish substance. They said they use it to exfoliate, so they apply it like a paste on your body, and then when it dries they scrub it off. You guys will see the girl scrubbing it off like this. So the scrubbing is the exfoliation. Before that, I actually had a steam bath, and then they did the whole dia scrub thing. They said they use spirulina to make it as well, so that was good too. That was quite interesting to know. And then after that, I had a massage. And guys, having 2 massages in the space of less than 2 weeks has been great. I can't even lie. But yeah, so it was a very different experience, but I actually do like it. And they are an all ladies service, so they don't cater to guys. Unfortunately, if you're a guy watching, you cannot go there and do this. This is for only women. But they said on Sundays they do cater to couples for massages only. Anyway, I'll leave their handle in the description box in case you want to check them out, and in case you're into that kind of thing, traditional kind of spa services, check them out. Okay, we have some new stuff that came in the other day. I can barely show you guys anything that concerns this wedding because I don't want to spoil any surprises, but the bouquet and the floral hoops for the bridesmaids came in 2 days ago, I think. Let me just give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on what they look like. Yeah, so this is just a sneak peek of the bouquet and the bridesmaids flowers and all of that. And then over here, I just realized yesterday that I had not joined the ashoke that's all the people wearing ashwebi are going to die that day, so I had to quickly join it yesterday. This is the color that would match the lace that we're using for the traditional wedding. We have our fans. This is the bridal fan for the traditional wedding, and these are the ones that the people wearing ashwebi are going to hold. I can't show you much, unfortunately. So yeah, we have a little over a week to go. Everything is looking good, thanks be to God. My birthday is on Saturday, the 10th of July. It's literally 2 days away. Today is Thursday, so it's just 2 days away. And I'm excited because I have a couple of things planned, which I will let you guys in on from my next vlog most likely. And I actually put out a birthday wish list on my Insta stories. I'm sorry I didn't put it out here on YouTube. I just didn't want the birthday wish list thing to just be everywhere, so I put it on my Insta stories, and I got a couple of stuff. I've gotten a couple of stuff from my birthday wish list already. My amazing friends and amazing followers, you guys are amazing. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you have been missing out. Okay, that's where all the fun happens. By the time the posts expired, people were still asking me to repost it because some people missed it. I had to repost it like a second time, and I still got stuff from the wish list. Like, it's just mind-blowing, guys. Let me show you guys just a sneak peek of something I've already received. This came in yesterday. This is from Shoes by Flora. This was in my wish list. This brand is Nengi's brand. So I saw some cute gold shoes I wanted, and I put it on my wish list, and my darling friend Pere got them for me, like all the way from the UK. He actually paid for it for me, and I was just like, okay. And then yeah, a couple of other things. I've gotten 2 dresses, one from the brand itself, one that one of my followers is getting for me. I've gotten a gift voucher from ASOS. The lunch date was actually also one of the things on my birthday wish list. A lunch date in a particular restaurant, and somebody actually got that for me. The person gave me the money to go to the place. And let me see what else. Somebody sent me money to buy one of the handbags in my wish list. Like, I've gotten, you know, a lot of things on my birthday wish list. So yeah, I'm sorry that you guys here on YouTube, if you're not following me on Instagram, this will be sounding strange to you, but I think I have a couple of items. So if you still want to, just send me a DM on Instagram, okay guys? Anyway, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please subscribe down below, share, comments, just do all the needful things, okay? I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.